Preparedness is a discipline that most people approach with good intentions and poor timing. The intention arrives during a crisis, the storm that knocked out power for 6 days, the supply chain event that emptied grocery shelves, the civil disruption that closed roads and services. The timing is wrong, because the intention arrives exactly when the products are unavailable, the prices are highest, and the calm decision-making required to build a coherent preparation system is most disrupted by the urgency of the event itself. The people who are genuinely prepared did not become prepared during a crisis. They became prepared in the quiet period before it, when everything was available, affordable, and calm. The 7 items on this list are not exotic preparedness equipment. They are the foundational elements of a functional emergency system that most households do not have in working order, not because they cannot afford them or because they are hard to obtain, but because the urgency required to actually purchase them has not yet arrived, and most people require urgency to act on preparation. The purpose of understanding why these items matter before urgency arrives is to provide the motivation that urgency normally delivers, while the timing still allows a deliberate, cost-effective response. The medical gap in most household preparedness is the one with the most severe consequences when it manifests. A standard retail first aid kit is designed for the conditions of normal life, minor cuts, small burns, temporary pain management, in a world where emergency services are available within minutes. A disaster scenario removes emergency services from the equation at the exact moment when the severity of injuries is highest. A car accident during a winter storm. A structural injury during an earthquake. A laceration from debris during a severe weather event. In each of these situations, the person who arrives with a 64-piece medical kit that includes trauma components and a secondary portable kit for vehicle or secondary location use is functional. The person who arrives with a box of bandages from the bathroom cabinet is not. The Swiss Safe 2-in-1 first aid kit addresses both the household and portable requirements simultaneously with primary and bonus mini kit configurations. If the honest assessment of your current medical readiness is a box of bandages, this is the correction that takes 5 minutes to make and could matter in a way that nothing else on this list approaches. The link is in the description. The water assumption that fails every unprepared household is the one that almost no one examines until it fails, that turning on a tap will always produce clean water. Municipal water infrastructure is electrical infrastructure. It requires pumps, pressure maintenance, and chemical treatment systems that all fail when grid power fails, when distribution pipes are damaged, or when chemical treatment systems are disrupted. The grid failure that cuts your lights also cuts your water pressure. The flood that damages roads also damages water infrastructure. The disruption that interrupts supply chains also interrupts the chemical treatment supply for municipal water systems. Every scenario that creates a general emergency also threatens water supply, which is the resource that becomes life-threatening faster than any other in an emergency. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter, filtering up to 1,000 gallons, removing 99.999% of waterborne bacteria, is the portable solution that transforms any freshwater source into a safe drinking source for one person through an extended emergency. It requires no power, no replacement cartridges in the field, and no infrastructure beyond a water source that, in most geographies, is available within walking distance even when all other systems have failed. The link is in the description. The remaining 5 items on this list, portable power and illumination, non-grid communication, calorie-dense food requiring no refrigeration or cooking infrastructure, reliable fire starting capability, and a shelter alternative to permanent structures, complete the system that a household needs to function independently for the 3 to 7 days that most serious disruptions last. 7 items. All available today. None of them will be at the price and availability they currently represent after the event that makes them necessary. Preparation is not pessimism. It is the informed management of risk by people who have looked clearly at what the last 50 disruptions have shown about what fails, in what order, and who survives them well. Subscribe to In the Beginning. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.